going to Disneyland right now, and we have not really started going yet, but yeah.
Very good.
Very good. Well
Very
done.
good.
You'll make a YouTuber yet.
So we are
The magic's alive.
experiencing Disney traffic.
Yeah.
But SatNav says it's only 20 minutes away, taking into account the traffic. So we have a lightning lane booked for Tron at 9:38, and it is currently 8:51, and we're 20 minutes away.
We'll make it.
We're sure we're gonna make it.
I don't think we will.
It is time.
Whoa! Go! Whoa! We've made it to Magic Kingdom! Yay! We've just parked up, we're just waiting for Charlotte and Radja and the twins to meet us, and then we're gonna head into the park and hopefully get to Tron on time for our virtual queue.
Fingers crossed.
Matt, the twins are my brother and sister.
That they are,
They
yeah.
are indeed.
We'll see you in there. In we go then. Are you excited?
Oh, you've seen it?
Yeah. Jack dressed for the part.
Matching socks.
Matching socks as well. Very good. It's a hot one today.
It is indeed.
We've just got through. We're chosen to go on the ferry boat. We've got the first glimpse of the castle.
It looks amazing.
There she is. Where are we going? Magic Kingdom. Archie wants to tell us how we got here.
So I had the choice of going on the train, which was over there behind those trees, or going on a boat. So I chose going on the boat.
Mama, I got Mickey.
Wow, there we go.
We've got our first photo pass. Very, very handy.
God, look how sweaty I am. And we're not actually in the park yet. We're just about to enter Main Street, USA.
Hell yeah.
Yeah! Not sure if we mentioned, but we actually got the memory maker included in our tickets, so we're taking every opportunity we can to get a photo. Just in time!
Hang on, is that Archie in the middle?
Just in time for the parade!
Hello! Hello!
That was fun.
That was really, really cool.
As soon as we walked in, there was like a little mini parade.
Yeah, I think that's the only way to describe it. It's like a welcome parade, maybe?
Yeah, and we were right at the front.
We got off our photo opportunity and yeah, straight into the parade. And it was like coming right at us. It was amazing.
How hot is it today? Look how sweaty.
Really, really warm. Everybody's like sweating, aren't they? My favourite on the parade, Bruno, by far.
Definitely.
The guy was like, well, he was Bruno.
Yeah. Beautiful! This guy's just straight in the queues. Photo, photo, photo!
Hey, it's free.
Okay, so now we've finally got through a load of photo passes. We are going to head to Tomorrowland. Archie's chose to go there first, and we're going through Tomorrowland to get some aircon in one of the rides and, I don't know, see what we can get on. The wait times don't seem too long, actually, a lot less than we thought. The longest wait time at the moment at 11:15 is Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which is 60 minutes. In here, in Tomorrowland at the moment, they're all about 25-minute long, so let's see if we can get on a few. Now we're in the queue for Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, which I think is a 3D show. We're here mainly for aircon, but it's our first ride of the trip, so we're really excited. We're going in.
See that giant canister? That's where we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit doors. I can tell we're off to a great start.
We've just done the Monsters Laugh Floor. That was really good. Luckily that was only a 10-15 minute wait. Got in there, it was a good laugh. It was a good laugh for the adults as well. I really enjoyed it. So now we're queuing up for the Buzz Lightyear ride. Should only be about 30 minutes. There was only a small part of the queue that was in the sun. The rest of it's shaded with built-in fans. So we're fine. We're chilling. In the Buzz Lightyear queue.
The ride said 35 minutes, but we've taken about 20 minutes, so that's not bad.
You ready?
Ready. You're glowing. You're positively glowing. Let's see who wins on this one. I don't know what I'm shooting.
I don't know what I'm shooting at.
I don't know how this has happened. Mine's clearly a dud.
Mine's not.
Whoa! What the? Buzz Lightyear. Okay, 33,100, 121,500.
Roger, what'd you get? 51. Oh!
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
No idea what happened there, but I did not win. Everyone's queuing up to meet Stitch now. I've just nipped the loo, so I've just got to go find them. Oh, there they are. Hiya, Stitch! Waving at Stitch!
You gonna give him a big hug, Lily? Hello!
Hello.
Say hi, Stitch!
Oh, look at that! That's a big hug!
The chairs are on the table. The floor has been swept. It's closing time and I'm a little tired. It's a long time since I've slept.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Hell yeah, you are. Go, go, go.
I'm ready to move on.
Oh,
Heading for a brand new start at the break of
fabulous.
Here I come. You better watch out. You better beware. The rumor is out.
Oh.
I'm going for gold. I'm out of the
Is that the best hug ever?
I'm out of the cold. Here I come.
See if we can get on this one. but he's about 2 inches taller than you need to be, which is what, 47 inches?
48 it is.
48 inches you needed to be. So we're heading on for our first big roller coaster. And my first time on this, Charlotte's first time on this, and Jack's first time.
Hell yeah.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health.
Oh, this is cool, isn't it?
Oh god, can we stay in here? This aircon's mint.
This is so cool.
Are you excited?
So excited. This is one we're going to look forward to for a while.
Yes, it is.
In the life cycle, there are winners and there are losers. Who are you?
Look how smooth it looks. Off they go, look. Right. Off you go, Archie.
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
I don't believe it. I feel like it's going to be a trap. Oh. Woo!
Was that good? Bit quick. JP, thoughts?
Really, really good. Really worth the wait.
Very sickly.
Very sickly, yeah, really good. We really liked that, didn't we?
Yes, super fast, super colourful, everything my brain needed. But it all goes so fast, but you know, you're in the dark and then it's like all those explosions. Really, really good. Fast pace, adrenaline, really, really good. We only queued up for about half an hour. Everybody in the queue was really, really super friendly and helpful. Really, really good. Definitely should be on your list.
You're sweating. Waiting for the parade.
Welcome to the Magic Kingdom. You are warmly invited to join Mickey Mouse and his Fantasyland friends for a magical celebration in the streets. Dreams will come true, hearts will soar, and you will become a part of the magic. The wondrous and wonderful Disney Festival of Fantasy Parade.
Say hi. Bye, peace.
mansion for a sit-down drink because it is so hot, it's 34 degrees, so we're having a sit-down drink in some aircon just to chill out a little bit and, you know, plan our next moves and stuff, because it is now 3:30, so we're going to plan our next moves and take it from there. Yum! How's the slushie?
So good.
Chin chin, is that the word? Hi Ruben!
So a quick refreshment break. Lindsay got, well, we both got.
Got iced lemonade, it is amazing.
Really, really good.
Yeah.
But before that, we were at the parade, front row seat. Did really, really well to get in there. For you guys, she did that.
On the pavement, so I sat down.
And you there watching, you haven't even pressed subscribe, have you? And poor Lindsay,
Sort it out.
with her burnt tush, all for you guys. And you haven't even clicked subscribe. What do you think to that?
I think they should click subscribe just for that.
So do I. And now we are heading to It's a Small World ride, which is only a 20-minute queue.
That'll be done as it's a kid's first time here. So.
Exactly. So we'll see you inside. Angelina, who's the favourite?
I'm the favourite. For 5 minutes.
Fighting for
5 minutes.
Fighting for first place over here. Can't see us, but we're in Philhar Magic Orchestra.
Again. There he is. Oh, you are brave. There he is. Oh, and it's disappeared. There he is. Whoa. Yeah. This is cool.
Raindrops. Just to catch you up real quick, we are currently stood in the queue for
Enchanted Stories with Belle,
which neither of us have done before or heard of.
No.
But before this, we were in the Philhar Magic.
I don't want to spoil it for anyone, but
yeah, I don't want to spoil this.
It has been updated.
It has been updated. I think I've only been on it once, but Lindsay was in my ear going, "This is new."
So then we went on the carousel for this little lady. How was the carousel?
God.
And what did we hear lots of while we were on the carousel?
Bird.
Birds. What else is happening in the sky right now?
Crocodile.
Crocodiles. What's the crackling? Thunder. Now we're off to see Belle, aren't we?
Rain.
And rain. Yeah, there we go. There was lots of that whilst we were on the carousel.
Lots of crocodiles in the sky in Florida.
They're everywhere in Florida, aren't they? Actually, they're not. They're alligators in Florida.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Oh, a bit of aircon coming into here. This is nice. That's where we're at the moment. Wow.
27.
And now everyone repeat after me. Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love. chosen.
Oh my god, I don't know how this happened.
And finally, it's time to decide who gets...
We're so brave and
Go on, Auntie.
Next, we meet Belle's father, Maurice.
Perfect, both of you come on up. Woo! Excellent, yeah, woo! Get on. You said right over here.
Doing a good job over there. Jack working hard. Playing the part.
You will be marching soon enough. Now remember, Belle doesn't know you're here, so I shall call her in, and when she enters, we'll all shout, "Surprise!"
What a great idea!
Oh, Belle, where are you, mademoiselle?
Surprise!
When her father was away on a journey, Belle heard the sound of galloping.
Everyone gallop!
Returning to town, his Belle had ever seen, jumped out and roared. His suits of armor screeched at the top of their lungs. And said hello.
Don't joy.
Belle realized that the beast was not mean or cruel, but in his heart was sweet and kind. And Belle and the beast became the very best of friends. And that is the story of how the beauty met the beast.
Okay, unfortunately, because the Thunder and Lightning is within 6 miles, a lot of the rides have closed. But
we've done a load.
so yeah, we're heading to Pirates of the Caribbean because the wait time's only 5 minutes. So let's hope it's still only 5 minutes when we get there. Yum.
So we had a little stop off for a cold brew with coconut, lovely. And now we're on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. We'll see you in there. To the front.
So excited.
Got nice wet bums.
What are we gonna see?
We're going to see the Black Pearl.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow.
Caribbean, still one of the best, classic. There was somebody said that there's a skull and crossbones above a bed, and that's like the last real skeleton still being used on the ride, but I couldn't see it. I tried. If somebody can tell me where that is, that'd be great. But yeah, Pirates of the Caribbean, classic, still one of the best. Absolutely loved it. Lindsay, opinions? That's not Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's great with the key. I really want.
Oh yeah. I said,
yes.
Still a classic.
And refreshing and a bit
Still
of a
one of the
nice
better
rest.
ones.
Yeah. It's old school. I love the old school ones, which is what we're trying to do a lot more of today. We've got the kids like the classic rides.
Yeah, because it's their first time, so Small World, Pirates of the Caribbean. But yeah, still great. Still a must.
We've come out and it's starting to get dark. Everywhere looks nice lit up. Looking forward to seeing the castle lit up.
I think it's gonna rain.
Oh, the sunset's nice, Grandma. We're going for our first ride on Tiana's. Woo! So obviously it's a new ride, only just opened recently. what was it, last month?
Yes, I think so.
We're now in July, so I think it opened in June. So we're off to find, where is it? Oh, there, that way.
So, bad news. Princess Diana ride is shut due to a maintenance issue. So we are heading over as we've got 50 minutes now to kill before the fireworks start. So I think we're heading over to the Haunted Mansion just to squeeze that in if we can. But you're going to see us again wherever we end up. But also, look how beautiful all this is. And that right there, where is it? There, Cinderella's castle. How cute. We're in the queue for the Haunted Mansion. 25-minute queue, just in time for the fireworks.
Yes, fireworks afterwards.
Hell yeah.
This chamber has no windows and no doors.
Turns out, I've never been on this ride before, so this is going to be a first for me.
We're getting on.
Oh.
We're on the Haunted Mansion.
Hell yeah.
Be sensitive to bright lights.
Go!
The bell.
Hey, get out of here! So, Haunted Mansion, wow, I loved it. I absolutely loved it. The kids loved it. Thought the kids would be a bit creeped out, but they weren't. Lindsay's holding hands. Oh, here she is.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Haunted Mansion, really enjoyed it. My first time on that ride, I loved it. I will go on that again. 10 minutes to get to the fireworks.
Will it draw you in? What's the moment unfold? Diving in with the hearts wide open.
That's a wrap on Magic Kingdom.
It is. We're heading back. Maybe a little bit of B-roll to end the video properly. But this is us signed off for the day, and we will see you tomorrow for
Typhoon Lagoon.
We'll see you tomorrow.
I feel kind of sticky. So, everybody excited?
Yeah!
Oh.
Three.
Big smiles. Lily, smile, please. Lily, what's going on? Mickey Mouse won't like that face. She'll just tell them what to do. Yeah, so they're doing a different magic one. So, we're in here.
Hello, Princess.
I feel like I've broken my bone right now.
Oh, Grandma's stuck on the floor.
Beautiful smile.
Look how pretty.
Very pretty. Oh.
Alligator! And this water used to be a massive, just like
You want it?
ice cube.
It did.
But now it's just water.
Melted. Good boy, Ruben. Oh, they're moving. Oh, Ruben's face.